part to its place to install it.
Thank you. We should say thank you. Great!
To fuel and service the vehicles. Grong! Drag the hose to the grong. Tap on the pedal for candy to fuel the vehicle.
Great! Don't stop.
Swipe your finger along the window for Cookie to clean it.
We did it.
The car is fueled up and ready to go. Tap on the screen to begin building.
Thank you. We should say thank you.
Let's repair the vehicle.
Don't